Good morning, this is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. We're at 438 Berwick Avenue. We're on the far west side of Hawville, probably not technically Hawville here, but that gives you an idea where we are. On the street, quiet street. Unfortunately, right now there's a whole lot of street parking going on, so it's pretty jammed up. But I think the value is definitely as a hold for this one. It's not a lot of work that needs to be done to it. On the inside, resurfacing is going to need a new kitchen as all the appliances and everything are gone from the property. New resurfacing and appliances and fixtures in the bathroom as well. But otherwise, structure is really pretty good. Clean up. It's going to be a little bit of a cost there, but long term, this is a good hold property as the values increase. With our B&O trail coming in and just general development in the area. So take a look inside and let us know what you think. Thanks.